to the Super Sound Spelling Game with your host, Ms. Frost. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you're so kind. You're so kind. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm glad everyone could be here today. We have an exciting game of the Super Sound Spelling Game to play. So without further ado, let's start off with how to play the game. So the way you play this game is I will give you a word. I will tell you the sounds, and you will write down the letters that make those sounds. So, for example, if I was going to do the word mug, it's my mug of tea. Let's see, how would you spell mug? Mug. First sound is an N. Second sound, you would write down a U because U says G. G. Third sound is a letter G. G. Mug. 3 letters, 3 sounds. You would write that down. Then I would show you the answer, and if you got it correct, you give yourself a smiling face. It's okay if you don't get it right, because we will play more. We'll do more words. We'll keep playing the game. Okay, we have 2 sounds today. The first sound we're going to work on today is the short E sound. This is eh. Eh. So let's get started. Here we go. The first word, and I'm going to try to trick you. The first word is tells. Tells. He tells me it's time for dinner. Tells. First sound. T. T. Write down the letter that makes the T sound. T. T. Eh. Eh. Second letter is eh. Write down the letter that makes the eh sound. You've got T. Eh. I'm going to try to trick you now. Pay attention. Third sound in the word tells is oh. 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 But look at the oh is with 2 letters. 2. Which 2 letters make the oh sound? Write them down. T. Eh. Oh. Last sound. Down the letter that makes the S sound. T, eh, oh, s. Okay, let's find out the answer. Here we go. First sound, T. That's the letter T. T, eh, eh. There's that E. T, eh, ooh, ooh. 2 L's. T, eh, oh, s. There's that S. T, eh, oh, s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters, but only 4 sounds. Tells. Okay, let's do another one. Our next word is yells. Yells. He yells across the yard to me. Yells. First sound. Yeah. Yeah. Write down the letter that makes the yeah sound. Yeah. Eh. Eh. Second sound is eh. Write down the letter that makes the eh sound. Yeah. Eh. Oh. Oh, 2 letters again for the O sound. O. Write them down. Yeah. O. S. Write the letter that makes the S sound. Yeah. O. S. Yells. 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Let's find out the answer. To yells. Y. First sound, y. That's that letter Y. Second sound, eh. Eh. Oh, the two L's. Y, L, S. Last sound is that S. Yells. Tells and yells. Spelled very similarly. Okay, our next sound, that's going to be the short I, I. Next words are going to have the I sound. Okay, here we go. First word is spill. Spill. I hope I don't spill my tea. Spill. First sound. S. S. Write down the letter that makes the S sound. Second sound. In spill. P. P. S. P. P is the second sound. Write down the letter that makes the P sound. Third sound, I. Sp, I. Third sound is I. Write down the letter that makes the I sound. Sp, I. Oh, oh. Oh, I'm trying to trick you again. Two. Two letters that make the O sound. Write them down. Sp, I, O. 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Let's get the answer. Spill. S. S. P. P. S. P. I. There's the I. We've got the S. P. I. S. P. I. Oh. Oh. Oh, there are those two L's again. S. P. I. Oh. Spill. All right, if you got it right, make sure that you give yourself a smiley face. And if you got these right, give yourself a smiley face for those too. If you got them wrong, it's okay. We're going to do another one. Here we go. The next one is hill. Hill. I need to climb a hill. Here we go. First sound in hill. Write down the letter that makes the sound. Hill. I. I is the second sound in hill. I. I. Oh. Oh. There we go. There's the O again. Two letters. I. Oh, 3 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. Word hill. All right. Let's find out the answer. There's the H. I. I. There's the I. I. Oh. 2 letters. 2 L's. Hill. If you got it right, give yourself a smiley face. If you got it wrong, that's okay, because we're going to do another one. We have 2 more. Okay, our next word is will. Will. Will you please pass me the peanuts? Will. First sound in will. Write the letter that makes the W sound. Second sound. I. I. Write the letter that makes the I sound. Will. W. I. Ooh. Ooh. 2 letters that make the O sound. Write them down. W. I. O. 1, 2, 3 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. Okay, let's go over the answer. Will. W. First letter is a W. W. It. There's the I. W. It. Oh. There are those 2 L's. Those are the ones we want. And if you got it right, give yourself a smiley face. If you didn't, that's okay. We've got one more word. Here we go. Last word. Big. Big. I want a big scoop of ice cream. Big. First sound in big. B. B. Write down the letter that makes the B sound. B. It. Second sound in big is it. Write the letter that makes the I sound. B. It. G. Last letter. G makes the G sound. Write it down. B-ig. 3 letters, 3 sounds. Big. Let's find out the answer. B. B. It's the letter B. If you accidentally wrote it the other way, you knew you meant for it to be a B. Just fix it. That's okay. We're still learning how to keep those 2 straight because they get confusing. B. It. It. There's that I. B. It. G. Last letter is the G. That's the hard G. There's a video I put out for you that talks about the soft G, which makes the J sound instead of the G sound. So that's something you want to check out. If you got it right, give yourself the smiley face. All right. Hopefully you had a good time playing the Super Sounds spelling game. Thanks for joining me. Have a great time. We'll see you next week.